Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you exactly how to check how much storage you've used on Outlook. Step by step, updated. If your inbox feels slower or you're getting those annoying mailbox full messages, this guide will help you see what's taking up space and how to fix it fast. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your browser and search for Microsoft 365 login. Click sign in, then enter your Outlook email and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, complete that step too. Once you're in, you'll land on your main Outlook dashboard where all your emails appear. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little gear icon. Gear. Click on that to open the settings menu. This is where you control all your Outlook preferences, from appearance to account options. Inside the settings panel, scroll down and select account. Here, you'll find key details about your Outlook account, and most importantly, your storage usage. This is where you'll get access to the full breakdown of how much space you're using. Next, click Storage, and Outlook will show exactly how much space is used and what's consuming it. You'll see data on things like large attachments, some sent emails, and archived folders. If your storage bar is almost full, that's your cue to clear out unnecessary emails or move files to OneDrive. If you're running low and need more space, Outlook lets you upgrade your storage directly. Just review the available plans, whether it's a one-time increase or part of a Microsoft 365 subscription, and choose what fits best for you. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can easily check your Outlook storage and keep your inbox running smoothly. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me how much space your Outlook account is using right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.